Good afternoon, actually. Um, Today is September the 14th, and I am doing a little survey of my potatoes here. And I was just trying to see if they were going to be ready anytime soon. I know they said when they start sprouting flowers, that's when you know that they're pretty much ready, because then the energy goes from producing the potatoes into producing the flowers. So, real quickly, if I can, I'll put my hand on it. I should have took my phone out of this case, because this case always messes up. But if you look here, I remember I was scraping some. I do see I have a little potato there, so I know there is some. So I'm going to cover that back up. I was just trying to see, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's growing a mound. So I don't know how many potatoes are in there, but I'm going to have to probably dig them up next, maybe about another 2 weeks. So I'm going to wait and see if it sprouts flowers. If not, I'm going to pull them up, because I don't want them to rot in the ground. But I don't know if you can tell, but it's producing like a little mound there. So I know the potatoes are pushing up. So eventually they're going to be ready. So we're going to see. But as for right now, I know I have at least one potato